Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing our July's monthly budget, okay? Alright, so if you want to see what I have to talk about, continue watching and don't forget to like, guys, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, guys, so our July's budget. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my June's monthly budget, copy it, and then put or type in, rename the project or the document July's monthly budget. Okay, and July is my birth month, guys, so please pray for me. So I don't want to go over budget or anything. I'm not gonna be like doing anything extravagant or whatever. I'm going to include whatever I want to buy in the budget. So yeah, but just pray for me that everything goes well and I will enjoy that day. Nothing, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm just gonna be at home, buy myself a cake and just yeah, nothing much. So yeah, so as you can see, we're just deleting everything that is not valid for July, and we're just going to leave all the expenses and all the columns. We're going to leave them available, and information for the expense, rent, and all of that. We're just going to leave them, and then observe our June's monthly budget in order to make a conscious decision for this month. All right, so as you can see, I am just deleting some cells so that we can finish off the budget, and just so that it can look really clean and neat, as you can see. So I'm just observing everything to ensure that everything looks okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to look at the figures to see which figures we need to increase or decrease. And as you can see, for traveling last month, we went under budget. So basically that means we can actually change a figure for traveling. So that's what I am doing, changing the figure for traveling from 2,000 to 1,000. And then for personal household item, you noticed I only spent like 1,500, so I change it to 2,000. And the figure for unbudgeted, I am changing that to 6,000, mainly because it's my birthday, so I'm just going to add 3 more thousand to it. Bank fees also, I'm changing that to 3,500, just because last month it was 3,500 and we budgeted for 3,000. For light, I'm going to add $500 more, just because it's summer and maybe we're going to use AC. I don't know, maybe, just maybe. So everything looks about okay to me. I'm not going to increase in any other area. I hope that the light will not increase. If we use it like maybe 2 or 3 times, it shouldn't increase. All right, so the income for this month was $635 and 53 cents. We got a little extra, and that's good, and that's equivalent to, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the US conversion, the rate for $1 to a Jamaican dollars for this month, actually today. All right, so it might change throughout the month, but we're just going to work with that because we are doing the budget as at today. Okay, so the US conversion rate as at July the 2nd, 2020, $1 is actually equal to 139 Jamaican dollars and 1 cent. All right, so that's the US conversion rate. We're just going to put that in red and insert paint it or fill it, highlight it yellow, and then we're just going to copy that and put it right below the actual budget sheet. All right, and then we're just going to highlight that good and pull it over a little bit. Okay, perfect. So that's the $1 is equal to 139 Jamaican dollars right now. So that means the figure for, I'm gonna just get up my calculator now so I can check it up. Yes, so the figure for 10,000 divided by 139.01 is equal to $71.93. So that's the figure for rent. And the figure for water is 1,000 divided by 139.01 is equal to 7.19. The figure for light is 2,500 divided by 139.01 is 17.98. Okay, and we're just going to check all of that. 1,500 divided by 139.01 is 10.79. Okay, the next one is $2.15. The next one is $5.39. That's for gas. Now groceries, we're going to spend 139 US dollars. No, what am I talking about? 57.54 US. We're going to spend that on groceries. And for insurance, pension fund, all of that, we're going to put down $28.77. For traveling, we decreased our traveling, and that is $7.19. Already calculated that, so we're not going to do it again. And for pension household, for unbudgeted items, we're going to get, what are we going to get? 43 US dollars and 16 cents. So the personal household item was $14.38. For bank fees, we increased that by $500, so that's $25.17. Tithe offering or gifts, we're gonna put that to $43.16. Loans, credit cards, subscription service, you're gonna stay at $0. And for income, the income from social media, all of that together, we got, we're gonna check that up to $88,345.2. So that's in Jamaican dollars. So that's what we're working with for this month. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to use the sum function to check everything up. All right, and let's see the total expenses. The total expenses is 46,550 Jamaican dollars. So that means our surplus, budgeted surplus, is going to be, our budgeted surplus is going to be 41,795. That's way more than what we actually saved last month, and that's mainly because the income actually increased. So and we're gonna sum that up, the US dollar figure, and the total budgeted expense is 334 US dollars and 8 cents. That's our budgeted expenses for the month, and that means our surplus is going to be $300.75. So that is what we have for our budget. That is exactly what we're working with, and that is our goals for this month. And guys, if I can decrease this like last month and even end up saving 400, I mean, maybe not possible, but we can try, but I want to stick within the 300 and something US for my expenses, or I want to go lower. I don't want to go above that. All right, so as you can see right now, I'm just getting everything a little bit fancy and trying to allow the figures or the numbers to stand out to me, so whenever I look at it, I can actually see the figures, for example, in Jamaican dollars versus US dollars. And it's also going to be a little bit easier for you, the viewers, to actually see everything, the figures, and also the totals that we're working with, and you can see the surplus and everything by just looking. And that's it for the budget. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to check everything to ensure that I have all the figures that I need. Everything is there. All right, perfect. So everything is good so far. Total, all of that. Just going to make that a little bit bigger. The other sources of income, as I said before, I'm not going to put that there because I don't want to disclose a lot of stuff You know what I'm saying? Yeah, some things, because it's really not necessary, because we're talking about frugal living, so that's the reason why I don't want to kind of include that. Now I'm going to do a little percentage chart. Yeah, just going to create the pie chart, and this is just going to give me an idea of how I am distributing my money and what I am spending a lot on. And as you can see, the thing that I'm really spending a lot of money on is my rent. Yeah, that's like 21.5% of my total expenses. Then the next one goes to groceries, 17.2. Then the other one goes to tithe and offerings slash gifts. And then the other one goes to, let's see, 12. The unbudgeted item, mainly because this month is my birthday. So yeah, we're trying to we're trying to add something else so that we can, buy maybe a cake or something. And then the other ones are like insurance. Those are a little bit expensive. And everything else is like pretty cheap. Personal items, not much. Light, gas, phone, not much. So the bulk of our money is actually going to rent, groceries, tithe and offerings. And then this month is really unbudgeted items plus the insurance funds. So that's pretty much what we're spending our money on for this month. And yeah, this is our budget, guys. I hope this video was informative. I hope this is a guide. I hope this is motivation for you to create your own little budget and follow through and so forth. Yeah, but this is basically it for me for a budget. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, guys, and subscribe. Bye bye, see you later on.